Clinical trials are our method of validating innovative treatment and medical devices. It's how we make sure a medical solution works and is safe for humans. But the system is broken. Over 80% of clinical trials fail. Pharmaceutical companies waste $20 billion a year on recruiting, retaining, and managing volunteers and patients. People who are hard to find, hard to keep, or even worse, people who just don't know about it. The industry has built an unsustainable model affecting our healthcare. A model that is denying people cutting-edge drugs because of the inefficiencies in patient management. Upon completion of university, I began working in a contract research organization. The last 2 years, I've been working on recruiting and managing patients for the clinical trials we conducted. We quickly found out what the real challenge in clinical trials is: finding and recruiting people who actually wanted to participate. What we found was a broken system, one focused on the clinic rather than the patient. It's the industry's biggest pain point. The $5 billion patient recruitment market is growing and expected to reach $40 billion by 2030. We began to think of the idea that if patient engagement is a key to clinical trial success, how can we make their experience better? We built RIZE Health, on-demand access to clinical trials, a virtual marketplace that matches people with the appropriate clinical trial and offers the ability to participate digitally. Like an Apple Watch makes it easy to track your steps, we make it easy to track your trial. We turn this into an interactive portal that changes how patients engage with clinical trials. By introducing onboarding, scheduling, and remote data capture right from your fingertips, we make it convenient to participate in clinical trials. Our purpose is to give people on-demand access to clinical trials, helping researchers get to the finish line and provide people with the best treatment sooner.